Hello, everyone. We are going to read sentences with the sight words it, is, and time. Let's begin. It is time to play. Again, it is time to play. Your turn. You are doing great. It is time to eat lunch. Again, it is time to eat lunch. Your turn. You are doing great. It is time to play outside. Again, it is time to play outside. Your turn. You are doing great. It is time for dinner. Again, it is time for dinner. Your turn. You are doing great. It is time to go to bed. Again, it is time to go to bed. Your turn. You are doing great.